Hi guys, I know I was on this little social break and I'm back. So I made this video for you guys in which you will be seeing different looks I wore for my cousin's wedding. So without any further ado, let's get started. For the first look, I wore this beautiful skirt which I was having in my closet from so long with a classic white shirt and just a neck piece. And yeah. Styling is the key. If you have basic pieces in your wardrobe, you can style them for n number of times. So I wore this kurta with a skirt this time and added some silver bling. Monochromatic looks are a thing. This look contains all my favorite pieces from choker to glasses to dupatta and to skirt. This one has a little story behind. I wore this sari for my bhaiya's wedding, which was like 7-8 years back, and this is why I was kinda attached to this one. So I thought to wear it for my cousin's wedding. Also, this is a wraparound sari, which is good thing that is lesser time to drape. So guys, this was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and let me know what else you want to see in my next videos. And do comment, share, subscribe. जो भी करना है सब कर दो. And see you in my next video. Bye bye.